Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to fuel your Zippo lighter. First, gather your Zippo lighter fluid and a small flathead screwdriver. Always work in a well-ventilated area to ensure safety. Begin by carefully removing the inner insert from your Zippo's outer case. This exposes the bottom of the insert, where we'll access the fuel chamber. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now turn the insert upside down. You'll see a felt pad at the bottom. This pad covers the cotton packing material which holds the lighter fluid. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently lift one corner of the felt pad. You don't need to remove it completely, just enough to expose the cotton inside. Be careful not to tear the felt. With the felt pad lifted, take your Zippo lighter fluid and slowly begin to saturate the cotton packing. Pour gradually, allowing the fluid to absorb into the cotton. Watch carefully and stop filling when the fluid reaches the top of the packing material. It's crucial not to overfill, as this can cause leakage and waste fluid. Once filled, carefully replace the felt pad, ensuring it's flat. Then slide the inner insert back into the outer case. Before attempting to light it, wipe down the entire lighter with a clean cloth to remove any excess fluid. This prevents skin irritation and ensures a clean ignition. Now, you're ready to spark it up. Also, remember to check the description below for links to great deals, including that fantastic Owala water bottle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.